Hi and welcome to La Jenny 21 Nails. I'm Jenny. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. As promised, I'm sharing a quick update of how these nails look after 7 days. They look gorgeous and super shiny, and I'm really happy with the results. I've been wearing these nails for 9 days, and today I noticed as I was running my fingers through my hair that some of the hair was getting caught on my right hand at the cuticle line here in this area. And upon further inspection, I realized that this must have been where I applied some of the base and some of just the dipping powder that was touching my skin. So as my nail started to grow, it separates, and now that's where it's catching right at the edge there. You can kind of see it, it's different, it's lifting, and it's probably because it was touching my skin. Same thing on this nail. You can see where I didn't apply it or I didn't file it properly. So that is one very important part whenever you're going to be using the dipping powder, is to make sure that you file this edge really well and make sure that it's smooth and you've cleaned it really well so that this doesn't happen. Because as you can see, the tip wear is non-existent. It's beautiful. It still looks really nice, and it's still shiny, which is one of my favorite things. It looks like if I just did my nails. On my left hand, I think I did a better job because I haven't felt the sensation of the hair getting caught, but when I look at it, I can kind of see where it's starting. This area here, you can see it's a little bit different from this one, and it's probably going to start lifting soon. So I decided that today I'm going to remove these. And as promised, I'm going to share with you guys how I remove this product from my nails. This is going to be my first time trying it out, so hopefully it works out well. Since I really like the way the nails look and how shiny they still are, in any other situation, I would probably just file down the cuticle area and just do a little fill so that I wouldn't have to remove the product from all my nails, because it looks so pretty on the tip and it looks really nice. In this case, I'm only going to do it because I've never tried removing it, and as promised, I want to share with you guys how the process goes. So let's get started. The first step is to file off the shine from the top of the nails. I can do that using a nail file, but I'm going to go ahead and use my e-file instead. This is the file that I'm going to be using. So we're just going to gently take off the shine. And we're going to take off the shine from all the nails. After removing the shiny top layer, we're going to go ahead and soak 10 pieces of alcohol in acetone. And I'm going to use these pieces of aluminum foil to hold the cotton ball in place. We're going to put one over each nail. Now we wait 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, so now we're going to check the first nail. It feels a little bit sticky. I recommend that you don't try doing this like I did, all fingers at once, because now I need to use these fingers to remove the foil from these, and I'm having a hard time because of that. I'm not sure if you can see, but the majority of it has disappeared or melted off. I'm going to try using my cuticle pushers to see if you can remove that top layer. It seems to harden when the air hits it, so I really don't want to push it too much. Now I need to wash my hands and apply cuticle oil. After washing my hands, this is what I'm left with. My nails look pretty good, and I definitely want to recommend that if you're going to do this, use a larger piece of aluminum foil to make sure that you cover the entire nail and that the little cotton ball is completely soaked in acetone and covering the entire nail. Maybe leave it on for 10 minutes, check it. If it's still not completely gone, then try 5 more minutes instead of trying to remove it how I did. But other than that, I think it's pretty good. I'm really excited with the way that it turned out. It was so easy to apply and to remove. So I'm definitely going to be using this again. And right now I'm just going to apply a little bit of cuticle oil to keep my nails hydrated and from all the acetone that dries them up so bad. And I'm going to get them ready for another set. This one is broken and so is this one. It's been broken, and this actually protected them really well because it was able to grow a little bit higher, so I'll be able to trim them later on. So I definitely want to apply the powder again to keep these nails protected. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!